this is Howie J from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have dual WhatsApp Messenger to your iPhone 14, 14 Plus, Pro or Pro Max. Very easy process. You can see I have one WhatsApp already here. So this is legal. You don't need to crack, hack or anything to your phone. Very easy and simple. Let's go to App Store here. Click this button. One most important thing for downloading anything from App Store, you need to have an Apple account. If you don't have Apple account, if you don't know, check that how you can do. Check the video description. You will find a video how you can do that. Very easy. Here at the corner you see searching option. Tap here and at the top type WhatsApp. So when you type WhatsApp, you will see two options, WhatsApp Common and WhatsApp Business. I hit WhatsApp Business. So yes guys, this is WhatsApp Business. It's legal. You can have two phone number or two account of WhatsApp and in one phone. Hit this one to download. It's done very fast. You can hit open here, or you can go to the phone desktop screen, main screen. You see I have two WhatsApp here. I hit WhatsApp Business and you have to agree and continue. Put your phone number, hit allow button. You see here Spain appear, your country should appear here. Put the phone number, register with them. So in this way you can use two WhatsApp Messenger in similar phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.